Brand from the Smithtown Library, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own mindfulness jar. For this craft, you will need an empty jar. This can be something that you've upcycled. I have a salsa jar here. A craft stick or a spoon. You will also need some food coloring, a couple of different types of glitter, and some clear glue. You will also need some hot water from the tap. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is grab your clear glue and you're going to measure out about a half a cup into your jar. My jar happens to have measurements along the side, so I'm going to use that, but if your jar doesn't have measurements, you can always use a half cup measure. So I'm going to pour my glue in. Okay, now that you have your clear glue in your jar, you're going to take your warm water from the tap and carefully pour that into your jar as well. Okay, then you're going to take your craft stick or your spoon and you're going to mix your glue and water solution until the glue has completely dissolved into the water. Okay, that looks good. Next, you can add whatever food coloring and glitter you like. So I have some pink food coloring here. I'm going to add about 2 drops. Or maybe a little more. I'm going to mix that up. And then you can add your glitter. So I have 2 different colors of glitter here. I chose a fine glitter and then a chunkier glitter because it adds sort of a nice effect to the glitter jar. So you're going to add those in. Okay, and then once you're happy with the color of your water and the glitter that you've chosen, you can securely put your lid on, shake your jar up, and then watch the glitter fall. Thank you so much for joining me. We hope to see you soon, but until then, visit the library's website at www.smithlib.org for more programs and resources.